In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect a PDF to your quick access toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC so you can quickly restrict editing. If you work with PDFs regularly, having protection tools just a click away saves time and helps you keep your files secure. We're going to keep this simple and focused, and by the end you'll have the Protect a PDF command pinned where you can reach it instantly. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is important because the protection features we're using are part of the Pro version. Once the app is open, look toward the top of the window for the toolbar. You'll see a small three-dot menu icon that's used to customize what appears there. Go ahead and click that three-dot menu to open the customization panel. Inside this panel, you'll find a search field that lets you quickly locate tools without digging through menus. Click into the search box and type the phrase, "Protect a PDF." As you type, Acrobat will filter the available tools and show you the Protect a PDF option from its library. This is the command that launches Acrobat's protection workflow, which is designed to help you limit what others can do with your document. When you see Protect a PDF in the results, add it to your quick access toolbar. Depending on your layout, you'll either see an add or plus icon, or you can drag the tool into the toolbar area at the top. You should immediately see the Protect a PDF button appear alongside your other quick tools. If it doesn't show up right away, make sure you added it to the top toolbar rather than a floating panel, and confirm you clicked the correct option. With that done, you've streamlined the process. From now on, whenever you're working on a PDF and you need to restrict editing, the Protect a PDF button is right there. Clicking it will guide you through Acrobat's protection options so you can lock down changes and keep your content the way you intended. Once you apply restrictions, remember to save the document so the protection is preserved the next time it's opened. That's all there is to it. Open Acrobat Pro DC, use the three-dot menu to customize your workspace, search for Protect a PDF, and add it to your quick access toolbar. Small setup, big payoff. You'll spend less time hunting for security tools and more time getting your work done, with the confidence that your PDFs are protected from unwanted edits.